Even in the education space, like there's so much marketing about like, oh, you can do this right now. You can snap your fingers. And if you take this course, you're going to instantly be successful. And it's like, no, you can lay the foundation, but it will take time. You have to remind yourself sometimes it's about the long game. And I want to really drive home that message because so much of life is like rush. Why am I not there yet? Why am I not meeting my goals yet? Comparison. This person's doing better. This person's doing more. Oh, I'm stuck in this XYZ. Because the worst thing that could happen, which Nicole, you just said, is that you can burn out and then you never get to where you're trying to go. I think sometimes we have to remind ourselves, like, what can we realistically do so that we don't burn out and then just throw in the towel?